Hello, I am Ronisha. Today I am going to interview Mr. Gaurav Nanda, who is the CFO of Design and Construction. Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Okay, sir. So today I'm here to ask you a few questions. So, I want you to answer it very neatly and very simple. So what is your role in DNC, sir?
Myself, Gaurav. I'm CFO for Design and Construct.in. Okay, here I'm looking the core function, which is accounting, finance, legal, and compliance. I think these are the core important area for any organization, especially in startups. And so this is what we do here. And in terms of our expansion, we are currently into 4 cities, which is Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, and Mysore. And we are planning to open in another 8 cities by October 2022.
Okay, sir. I would like to ask you how finance and compliances are important in a startup and how is your role in that?
Finance is very important function in our growth, okay, especially in startup. So we are using the best technology in term of team, in term of the system, okay, in accounting and finance in the organization. With respect to compliance, we are ensuring the compliances are up to date, whether it can be PF, TDS, ESI, or GST. So we have recently tied up with the Razorpay payroll, which will ensure smooth processing of payroll, and it will also help us to make sure we timelessly payment of TDS, PF, ESI for the employees. So this will also help us in terms of making vendor payment and labor payment.
Okay, great, sir. So, how do you think legal is important in a startup and how do you handle the same, sir?
Legal is another area which is very vital in startup, especially when it comes to the customer agreement, whether it can be a booking agreement or final agreement. So we are ensuring there is no loose end with respect to the customer perspective as well as for the organization perspective. We have in-house team who support us in terms of all the legal requirements.
Since you talk about the expansion plan in other cities, how do you remotely manage the expansion in other cities?
We have very strong team in Bangalore, okay, and we have a regional team in all the location. As I told, we have a team in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mysore, and Pune. So these guys are helping us in terms of the daily requirement, whether it can be a vendor payment or labor payment, and all the payments are made by the centralized team based in Bangalore. And this is very smooth process, and on a daily basis, we are keeping a track of it and making the payments.
Last but not the least, I would like to ask you what are the future plans of design and construction, sir?
The team at DNC has very strong knowledge in terms of construction vertical. All our founding team member, they have huge experience in construction. Whether it is CEO Priyadarshini Mishra, he comes from the construction background. Sayed, he is also from the construction background. Then we have Varun, who is heading the Hyderabad. He also comes with the construction background. He managed the complete Hyderabad team. And other core team member, they also have the same kind of experience. Okay, so we are in term of our expansion plan. We are currently done 100 projects, and we are aiming for 200 projects by March 2022. And our growth plan are very aggressive in term of customer acquisition and completing the houses. We are also in talk of few investor community to raise a new round of fund by next quarter.
Thank you so much for sharing all this, sir. Thank you for your time.
Thanks, Tanisha. It was wonderful talking to you.